needed to have seen the way the masquerade was pursuing her. It was so funny. That's so funny. Right? Hey, Azuka.
Oh, you are here to see your friend.
What can I do?
That's good.
Azuka and Odozi, you are a very industrious and a hard-working family. I envy you too, honestly. But you both need to stay out of trouble. Huh? Yes, because some villagers are envious of you. Honestly.
Onny, why is that?
Odozi, my friend, I don't need to go into details, but I just need you two to be careful. Not to worry, everything will be fine. Okay?
Onny, we are proud to have you as a friend. Then don't worry, okay? I'll take good care of my beautiful wife. And the Oyirime, my beautiful
Father, mother!
Look at her.
Mother. My daughter. I went to check my trap.
Okay.
But I didn't go to the forest too. Just the one close.
And you didn't catch any.
I did not. I'm not lucky.
Don't worry, next time you will catch.
Hopefully.
Udala Mamia, you have to be very careful. Very, very careful. Hunting are meant for men and not women. What's the name in a menu?
Odozak. You see, we have a very strong daughter. Farming and hunting has become part of her. And I'm sure one day she will make us proud. You make us proud.
Yes, Father, you are right. Mother, you don't have to worry yourself. Someday, I'll make you proud. Don't worry.
Not to forget, Elo is one of the most beautiful maidens in this village.
That's my daughter.
Thanks, yo.
That's my daughter. I'm just like my mother.
You can say that again. You know, I love you for one thing. You are very observant. You see, strength and hard working runs in my lineage. My father, my grandfather, my great-grandfather, they were great farmers. They were hard-working people. So I got it from them.
That's so good to know. Now I know where my strength came from.
You are right. Your beauty is from your mother. Your strength is from me, your father.
Father, do you sometimes wish I was born a male child?
No, I don't discriminate between male child and female child. All of them are from the gods. And we are very proud of you.
Thank you, and I am proud of you.
That's my daughter.
Igwe, these people are crossing their boundaries. We should not sit down here and allow them to take absolute control of our lands.
Igwe, thank you very much. It's no longer news that some hoodlums from our neighbors here are at it again. Now my question is, what do we do? What are we going to do?
Igwe, first and foremost, let me make something very, very clear. These people are not our friends. Yes. They are at it again. We should attack and fight back. We should not allow them to cross the boundaries. And they just are no kai kai.
Igwe, with all due respect, I think Ichie Okonkwo has a great point. You see, sooner or later, our lands, our children, even our own wives shall all be in danger. What shall we do then? Ichie Okoli, what's your take on this ugly development?
No, that is not true. I do not think things will go smoothly like that. Let's wait and observe.
I just concur to what Master Okoli just said.
This is not the time for war.
Ichie Okoli. Onye se ka akuwasia. Onye se ka apakasia. I don't have a basket for rotten mangoes.
These people are evil.
Yes.
These people are evil.
They are.
Ichie Okonkwo, whether they are evil or not, let us talk with them. And I'm assuring you, there will be peace.
Yes.
One thing I want to assure all of you is that peace will continue to reign supreme in this my kingdom. In this my regime, there must always be peace. Take it home.
Igwe.
I greet you, my queen, my goddess, and my son.
Father.
You're welcome, both of you.
Thank you, Father.
Your Majesty, I think you still look worried and anxious. Maybe over the land issue.
Yes, and I want to tell you that I am doing everything possible to return bliss to this, our kingdom. Doing my possible best.
Father, don't bother yourself so much. Mother is only being her usual self by getting concerned.
Like I said, I am trying to return peace to this kingdom.
Tell me, what are you going to do?
I shall send my warriors to go and scare them, possibly with warning message. Because if they leave us alone, then we will leave them alone. But if otherwise, we give them war. Yes, if war is what they want, we give them war.
Majesty, that is the problem. The thought of war scares and frightens me.
Mother, you don't have to get worried over nothing. Father is doing the right thing.
Good. Tell her. I am doing my best because I want to show both of you that peace must return to this kingdom. By the way, how was your journey?
It was good.
It was good?
Yes, Father.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you, Father.
Okonkwo, what do you want from me?
Odozi, you know, ever since I allowed Azoka to have you, I've been living in anguish and torment.
I do not know what you're talking about.
Hey, don't talk about what we shared together as if it does not matter to you. Remember that our love traveled so far before it was truncated by fate.
Okonkwo, I am married to Azoka, and as long as I live, I will remain his wife.
Yes, I know. But remember, we have an unfinished business. You and I have history. Or don't you remember?
No. We never had any history.
Hey, can you erase your past? Can you? Nobody can.
No, I can. I erased my past and began my present with Azoka.
Hey, what I want to be con.
Please.
Okonkwo. 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 Fate decided my destiny, and time tells everything. History shall never be erased. My past never existed. My present began with Azoka, the man I loved and shall never separate from him till death do us part. Okonkwo had come and gone like the sun sitting before everything falls. Azoka is my rising sun, and I stand again. I will take all my chances with you, Azoka.
Mother. Mother!
My daughter.
What is wrong? You are in a deep thought.
My daughter, there are certain mysteries and secrets that are better left unfolded and unveiled.
Mother, you speak in parable. I don't understand.
My daughter, I prepared your favorite vegetable soup and fufu.
I like it. But you...
Let's go.
But...
No but. Let's go.
Mother...
All our traps and efforts seem to be in vain. I mean, we've been hanging around here since, yet nothing comes out of it.
My friends, be a little more patient.
Can you just stop calling me that prince thing?
But you are the prince, the son of Igbo Okocha, the great and mighty ruler of our kingdom. You should be proud of your name.
All that ends in the palace. When we're outside, just call me by my name with no titles. Chibugo.
You're a nice person, my prince.
Been here since, wondering and yet nothing. I don't... What is the...
Greetings, my prince.
That is the daughter of Azuka.
Why did she scamper away? Did we scare her?
No, my prince, you did not scare her. I think she must be shy.
No. I think we must have done something to scare her.
My prince, do you like her?
What did you say? Have you forgotten I'm a prince?
But...
No buts. Let us do what we're here for.
Greetings, my queen.
Where is the prince?
My queen, he said he was going for hunting with his friend Abel. Yes, my queen.
What? Haven't I warned him not to go anywhere with that boy?
Greetings, mother. Why the stern look? Is anything the problem?
Have I not warned you not to go anywhere with that boy?
He's my friend. And we go hunting together. You can see the proof.
But I don't like him. I don't like that boy.
Why? Ebo is harmless. He has no father, no mother. He's the only friend I have.
Chibugo, you are the prince, the heir to your father's throne. And I am not going to sit back here and allow you drag the name of this kingdom to the mud. You need to stand taller than anybody. No one is like you, and no one will ever be like you.
Mother, you hold me too high. Higher than even the air we breathe. You are the only one who understands me. And I want you to know that we are all equal.
Go inside. Let us go inside.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings, Mother.
What are you doing here?
Mother.
Your Majesty, I do not wish him any harm. We're only going hunting together. You don't belong here. Leave! Leave at once! Mother! Why did you go? Please let me go. I do not belong here.
No.
Oriako.
Your Highness.
Oriako, let him be. Leave him alone. He is the only friend of our son. So, let him be.
Thank you, Father. I appreciate you. We shall be on our way now to hunt for some good meat.
That's all right. And make sure you come back on time. Make sure you catch big bushmeat.
We will, Father. Thank you.
Let them be. You'll be happy when they come back. Get me some water.
Odozie, tell me, what troubles you? You know I'm your best friend. Eh? I'm like a shoulder you can lean on. What is it? Ogene?
Onny, Okonkwo disturbs me. Okonkwo holds me so dear in his heart. He follows me everywhere.
What? Okonkwo? Odozie, don't tell me you have not removed the feelings you have for him.
No! Okonkwo is haunting me in my dreams, not in the physical. He follows me everywhere.
Odozie Ako. Look, Odozie, you're a married woman now. Listen, Azuka is your husband. You do not have anything whatsoever to do with Okonkwo. Look, please, Biko, Yogi, allow sleeping dogs lie.
Biko, for the sakes of your family and tradition, Biko.
What troubles the Prince of Umuji?
Mother, I met a very beautiful and brave maiden today. Her name is Elo.
Elo? What about her? Elo? Elo, the daughter of Azuka and his wife Odozie Ako?
Yes, Mother, that's her.
But they're only ordinary people. Do not tell me that you are attracted to that girl, Elo.
Oh, no, Mother, no, not at all. I'm a prince. I can't get involved with an ordinary maiden.
Silence! You all are going home with us.
No, we are not going anywhere with you. This is our land, and our children belong here too.
How dare you, woman, talk to us like that? Keep quiet before I cut off your neck.
For what? For what? I'm a woman, not an animal. Leave us, let us go. You must leave us. Yes. We have to leave here now. Yes. Let's go.
Move on. Silence!
No, we are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere with you. No, we are not.
Move!
We are not going anywhere.
Coming to our land to desecrate it. Leave the women and face us.
Never!
You are not afraid of you.
The best thing. That is the best. That is no. That is the best thing. What are you saying? What else? Sinwa? No. Listen. Okay, look, listen. This is impossible. How can this be happening? And we are sitting here doing nothing. Imagine, they wanted to take our wives and children with them. When I got there, it was almost getting late.
This confusion must stop. We have to take drastic measures. That's what I'm talking about.
Well, thank you so much, Okoli. I thank you for your concern. I must really commend you for your bravery. Indeed, you are a man. However, do not forget the fact that I was the one that asked you to go with the warriors. My people, I want to assure all of you here that adequate measures must be taken to ensure that this does not repeat itself again. Thank you.
Igwe, biko, can you can you actually make an answer now? When you are
How's go ahead.
What do the people of Omwagu want from us?
Okoli, you ask as if you are a kindergarten. Lands.
Land?
Lands. Lands. They want to take our lands from us. This is the same land that separates us from them. It separates their kingdom from us. But unfortunately, it will not work because we are not going to allow anyone to take our land. Or should we?
No. Igwe, but this is getting out of hand.
Yes, but you see, Ishin Kotonko is only heavy if the neck is not strong. So if they want war, we give them war.
Yes, there must be war.
Yes. But we can settle it by dialogue.
Let's have war.
Is the best option.
Let's settle it once and for all.
Yes.
There shall be no war. I repeat, nobody is going to any war.
Greetings, my friend.
Where are you coming from?
Somewhere.
My name is Chibugo. I'm the son of the king. Igwe Kocha. I'm sure you know him.
I don't.
That's not true.
What do you want from me?
Your friendship. I have seen you as a beautiful and hardworking maiden. I want to be your friend.
I'm sorry. I can't be your friend.
What? You can't say that. You don't mean it, do you? I am the son of the king. I am not son to any commoner. No farmer, no hunter. I am the heir apparent to the throne. This is an opportunity for you.
Get your hands off me. Who do you think you are? A prince? A prince that no other person is important in his eyes? Well, I am a daughter of a commoner, a hunter, a farmer. But the truth is, I don't want to be your friend. Stay away from me. You have no respect for commoners.
I am really touched by the confusion and the commotion brought upon our heads by the Umwagu people. So I decided to invite two of you so that we can plan ahead. So, what do we do?
Igwe, I greet you. Any manhood that is looking for what to eat must vomit what it had already eaten. The Dibia and I are here to make suggestions.
I see. So, what do you suggest?
Igwe, I suggest we attack, take over their lands, their children, and ride their wives like horses. Enough.
Have you gone out of your mind?
No, I am sound, Igwe. Very sound. Have you forgotten the damages they have brought upon the land? Very soon our wives will be widows and our children will lose their fathers.
Igwe, Okonkwo, your younger brother, is saying the truth. The wise one, please tell me, what did the gods say?
Igwe, the gods are still silent.
See? Have you seen why I said that we have to dialogue? There is need for us to dialogue with them.
Igwe, what do you mean there is need for dialogue? I don't understand.
I'll tell you. I have planned that I and all the chiefs of this land will march down to Umuawu and confront them once and for all. Yes.
Igwe, I do not think that is a good idea.
What do you mean?
Igwe, dialogue will not yield any dividend. Let us take the bull by the horn and give them fire for fire, action for action, war for war.
All right. This will be the last time. First and last time that I will warn them. If they refuse and chooses to cross the boundary, then their blood will spill.
This man, leave me alone. Stop following me around. Leave me alone, this man.
Sorry.
Am I the only woman in this village?
No, sorry. Your beauty has been haunting me. So if you can just allow me, I'm not talking about just put an on your choke on like this, I'll be okay, Biko.
Shameless man.
No, that's all I'm asking for.
Shameless man.
Otherwise, you keep haunting me in this village. Chokoma, nothing more than that. Biko, no.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Go and take care of your wife and children. Leave me alone. I am married to Atuka. Listen, I am married to Atuka. Leave me alone, Biko.
Except you go far away from this village. Otherwise, you keep bewitching me. Honestly. Yes.
I should go far away.
No, that's the only
Okonkwo, please, rap marker. Go and meet your wife and children. You are old. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, oh! Leave me alone, Okonkwo. Leave me alone. Look at you. Shameless man. Fool. Where are you going to again? Now you come back.
What is it?
Where are you going to? You're just coming back and you're leaving again? Now, where have you been all this long? All you do is to abandon us here for so long. You don't tell us where you go to. You don't tell us what you do. You don't tell us anything about you.
Awele, just leave me alone. Let me be, Awele.
How should I leave you alone, Nani? Just give me the reason why I should let you be, Nani. All you do is to cause me heartache. That's all I get from you.
You complain day and night. You don't even see anything good in me. Honestly, I don't know how I fell to the spell of marrying you.
Did you just use the word spell?
Yes, that's what it is.
And how you got me married? Nkechi, did you hear your father? Did you just hear what he said? Udoka, just listen to your father. Just listen to what he has just said. How could you, Nani? How could you use such horrible words on me, Nani? How can you speak with such callousness and hate towards Mama? She's our mother.
Yes. You and your sister, you always take side with her.
Yes, Papa. Papa, she's your wife. And she loves you so much.
Hey, Law. What do you know about love?
Nani, but you know I love you so
much.
Nani, Biko, sorry. Please forgive me if I've offended you. I'm sorry, Biko.
Leave me, it's okay. Leave me.
Nani, Biko.
Oriuku, please, leave me.
No, I'm sorry, Nani, Biko.
Oriuku, it's okay. Leave me alone.
Hello. I didn't mean to scare you.
How dare you come to my farm?
Have you forgotten I'm the prince of this land? Mind the way you talk to me.
What do you want from me?
Your friendship, that's all.
You're the prince and I am not...
I am not talking about who is royalty and who is not. What matters to me is that I've seen you and I like you. You have a good heart. I want us to be friends.
It's like you. I don't want to be your friend. As you can see, I'm busy with something. Please, permit me to go back to work.
I want to work too.
No! Hey! Please, don't do that.
Why?
Why are you doing this? If anyone sees you doing this, I'll be punished for it.
Then be my friend.
I am sorry, I can't. I don't want to be your friend.
Odoziako, why do you choose to hunt me this way? Your eyes pierce me down my soul. Your voice sends me out of the world. Your words reminds me of the good old days and the memories we once shared. The gods are going to kill me for the lust and desire I have for you.
Papa, why do you treat us so badly? Why do you neglect us so much? And why do you despise Mama, your wife?
Udoka, my son, there are certain things you cannot understand.
If there is anybody that can understand you very well, it's me, your son. Tell me what the problem is.
Mother, I am tired.
My daughter, are you tired already?
Yes, I am. I want to go back to the house. But first, I want to go and check my trap.
Okay? And wait, go and take care of your father. After checking your trap, take care of your father. Then you cook, because I'll be hungry by the time I get home.
Okay, I'll make roasted yam. Okay, not for Tazi.
Go home straight, after checking your trap.
Okay, I'll go and check my... Okay? Oh.
Does it something?
Master Koko, what is it?
Why
can't you leave me alone?
Yes.
Why are you following me around? What is it?
We have an unfinished business before you met Azoka.
You are who?
And you told me that we cannot erase our past.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Here I am, here.
Wait now. Look, just settle me. That's all I want. Settle me. Let me visit you to Jage.
Odozi. Nonsense.
Odozi, wait. Odozi.
Hey, look. This man. Leave me alone. Inkeshi, please bring the remaining corn. Inkeshi.
Nani, what I'm talking to you? Nani, what is it? Nani? Nani again? What is it? Who is chasing you?
Nobody is chasing after me.
Then what is it? You're not fine.
I'm fine.
Then why are you panting as if being chased by a ghost?
Don't ask me stupid questions. I'm fine. I just need rest. And if anybody comes looking for me, tell him I travel.
Nani, what happened? Nani, I will say. Don't put us in the back.
Hey, did you see her?
Mom, did you see her? This is very strange. Unbelievable. Unlike her. Why could this be happening to her? Hey. Odozak. Where are you, Odozak? Where are you?
We were together in the farm earlier today. Before I left for home. Ever since then, I've not seen her.
Where do you think she might have gone to? I've been to the farm twice and I didn't see her. Oh, did you check her friend's place? Onny?
Hey, no, I forgot. Let's go and check her. Come.
Lock the door.
Let's go. Take it.
Hello. Onny. Huh? Did you see your friend, Odozak?
Yes, my mother.
We've been looking for her since morning.
We were just on our way to your house. There's something I need to discuss with her.
Onny.
You didn't see her?
No! What did you see her?
Hey!
Where could she have gone to?
I left her in the farm. Ever since then, we've not seen nor heard from her.
Hey.
We've searched everywhere for her, everywhere. But all to no avail. I don't know where she is.
Where could she be?
Hey!
Onny, I know both of you are best of friends. You have other friends that you normally visit.
Like your friends.
Do you think she could be in one of those your friends' place? So we can go and look for her there.
Azuka, don't worry. There's nothing to panic about. Odozi is fine, okay? Onny, go home. I'll have to go and look for her with them.
Mother, let me come with you.
No. Just go home. Let's go and look for her. Go. Let's go.
I don't want anything to happen to my mother.
Help me.
What then do you seek from me? Accuse the people of Omoawa of this great atrocity. Tell everyone that they killed Odozako.
Alo! Tufia Kokoko! Tufia! Alo! That is impossible! Why would they kill her? Why would they kill her, Okonkwo? What has she done to them?
Okay. Tell them that she was committing adultery with one of the warriors. And when that warrior wanted to elope with her, she refused. And that was why they killed her.
Okonkwo, I cannot be part of this atrocity. I shall not do it. Okonkwo, now leave my shrine. Leave!
Dibia, Please. Whatever you want. Name it, I will give you. Land, goats, hens, whatever. Name your price and you have it from me. Please help me and save my name. Please.
So, the matter should be taken very seriously. Good. It's okay.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
You sent for me.
You can see my brother is here. Well,
Igwe! Ogene, Igwe, I'm finished. Is he finished, Igwe?
Ogene.
Igwe, I'm finished. My wife Otozaga has gone missing, Igwe. She's nowhere to be found. Since yesterday she left this house. But she hasn't come back, Igwe.
What are you saying?
Otozaga missing.
No, say it's not true.
Maybe she has gone to the neighboring village of Clara.
Your Majesty, no. She can't leave this house without telling our daughter her friend. She can't aware about so she's missing. Something has happened to her.
Hey, all right, it's okay. Hey.
Azuka, it's okay. It's all right. It's okay, Azuka. It's okay.
Stop this wailing. Enough of this crying.
Azuka, it's okay.
I am going to arrange my men to go and make sure that they bring her back tonight.
We have your wife. We should get prepared. This is what I've been saying. These Omago people are at it. Igwe.
Igwe, nothing is hidden under the sun.
Dibia, what is the ghost saying about my wife? Is she still alive?
Odoziak is dead. She was killed by warriors from Umago community.
No, my mother is alive. No, she can't die like that.
Yes, she can't just die.
No, my mother is not dead. My mother is not dead. My mother is
She's
not
dead
dead.
and lies there in her farm. Igwe, Odoziak is not innocent.
What do you mean by she's not innocent? Odoziaku is mine.
That is outward appearance.
That was what we are here to hear. Go ahead.
Igwe, she committed adultery, which is an abomination.
It's not true. My mother cannot do that.
No, yes, she can't do that.
Your Highness, I know my mother very well. She's innocent. She can't do that. I know her very well. She can't. My mother is innocent. She can't.
How dare you? How dare you open your mouth and accuse the wise one? And even with the elders in presence of our Igwe, and even in his palace. How dare you? Inayala. How dare you? Young girl, watch what you say.
That's right, and you must be careful on how you talk to the Great Dibia here. Great Dibia is still the custodian of the gods of our land. And as such, you must know how to address him, lest you face the wrath of the gods. Dibia, can you go ahead?
Thank you, Igwe. She was caught committing adultery with one of the warriors from Umago community. When he demanded that both of them should run away far from this community, Odoziak refused. That was the cause of her death.
There's no peace for the wicked. One day we'll reap what you sow.
alone, you are all liars.
I know exactly how you feel.
No, you don't understand how I feel. Do you know how it feels to lose a mother? Do you know? Do you know how it feels to be embarrassed in public for something your mother never did? Adultery, an abomination.
I know. And that is why I have come to console you.
I shall not give up. I shall not. I know my mother is innocent. I know she's not capable of committing any of those sins she was accused of. She's not. She was harmless. She was innocent.
For the eye of the gods have spoken.
The eyes of the gods indeed. Eye of doom and lies.
Be careful how you speak about the gods.
What else should I be careful of? Do you think I'm scared? I am not. I am Elu, the daughter of the most beautiful woman that has ever lived in this kingdom. I shall avenge my mother's death. Let me be.
You are welcome, Igbo Okocha. But your visit is without an announcement.
Spare me your foolishness and hypocrisy.
What? How dare you? How dare you make such a statement here?
You are not ashamed of yourself.
You are not ashamed of yourself, because if you were, you shouldn't expect me to announce to you that I am coming after killing my people.
Igbo Okocha, I will not have you here to slander me. Because
what?
Sewapwa, the gods of our land are angry. They are very, very angry. Odosiak, a woman in our community, did not deserve to die, though she committed an abomination of adultery with one of your warriors. She did not deserve to die. That is what we are saying. What are you talking about?
Odosiak was killed in her husband's farm by one of your warriors.
Yes, that is a lie. My warriors can never and will not do such thing. It is never recorded in history of time that our warriors are killers or murderers.
Time has changed, and you can never tell a man's heart.
It is not true.
The gods do not tell lie. They don't, Agumba.
I'll get to the root of it. It is a mistake. I suspect it's a mistake.
Now listen to me. Omoago will suffer dearly.
What?
And that is if it is not a mistake.
No. No! I'll get to the truth. I will know the truth of this matter. The truth will not be hidden from me. I'll get to the truth.
Better. Including you.
And your entire generations will suffer it.
Cannot do that.
All right, watch out.
Let's go. Let's go.
Keep moving.
Let's get out of this place. You will hear from me.
Hey! Imagine. Of course, that challenging me.
Papa,
Papa,
welcome.
Yeah. What of Udok and your mother?
They've gone to the farm.
Farm?
Yes, Papa.
It's all right.
Son, you're still awake. By this time of the day. What keeps you awake?
Everything, Father. It bothers me to see you worried at this time.
Oh, some responsibilities. I have to take responsibilities. You know, as the king of Umuji Kingdom, I really have to rule and govern my people very well. And look, finding solutions to their problems. My prayer is that as you grow, one day you will succeed me and continue from where I stopped. So now, tell me, what bothers you? Is there anything that troubles you?
Elo.
Oh, that daughter of Azoka and Odoziaku. So now I've advised you to forget everything about that girl. That girl is a disgrace to this community. And now she's the talk of the community. She's a non-entity. Forget about her.
But Father,
Don't. There's nothing like but. Let me even ask you. Don't you have a taste for your life as a prince? That girl does not match your status at all in any ramification. So you must forget everything about her. Please do. Do. Look for a girl that is more decent and cut her.
Is this you?
Yes, greetings.
Hey! What the of yesterday? So this is you, eh? With all these dangling mangoes on your chest. Do you mean that all for you, eh? Yeah, look at your skin. Nah, cha to, nah, cha ba, nah, cha ba. Hey, hello. Imagine, oh. Okay, look at you. Adipos Okoli. Hi, is all that for you or you and your sister? Anyway, hello. I didn't know you have grown to be as beautiful as your mother. You know?
I do not believe you.
Hello. Don't you know that your mother and I, we ate roasted yam with okra soup in our younger days? Honestly, your mother was one of the most beautiful women in this village. To be honest to you. Hello, you see, eh? Honestly, I can take very good care of you. Eh? You mean be like a father and a friend to you? Eh? You're as beautiful as your mother. Yes.
I don't want you to be my friend.
Hey,
I don't want you to be my father. I have a father. His name is Azoka. And he's taking proper care of me. I don't need you to take care of me.
Hey. Are we quarreling?
Yeah, no.
Hey, Willie. Yeah, look. Hey, see the way the thing is dangling. Hey, Willie. I hope it does not detach. One thing about these girls, they are like guava. You are waiting for them to ripe. Other people will be eating them unripe.
Where are you going? Where do you think you're going? Huh? Who do you think you're going to?
Get out of my way.
No way. We're not going anywhere. Listen, we are here for you. And we must prove to you in this village that you are a mere woman. Why you keep well low?
Listen and listen good. I am not scared of both of you. If you dare lay your filthy finger on me, eh? I don't want to kill somebody. I don't. Wait. See, I'll kill you.
This was I will kill.
I don't want.
Listen, no, what? Ebube, it's not me again. Eh? Hey! Ebube! Ebube! Hey! Ebube! Ebube!
Igwe, this is an abomination. That child of Azuka is a great calamity to this land. First, it was her mother that brought shame and disgrace to this kingdom.
No.
Now, the girl had killed an innocent boy out of anger and wickedness. Why?
No, it's not true. We were not there. I advise solemnly. First and first, we have to find out what led to the boy's death. What could he have done to her?
Nothing. Nothing will ever justify the killing. That girl is evil.
Can I have absolute quietness? Silence. If you ask me, we will have to consult the eye of the gods. And if she is found guilty, then she'll be made to face the consequences. Period.
Yes. Igwe. Igwe.
This child is evil. She bear within her evil thoughts and dying penchant to kill everyone that comes across her. She wants to kill everybody in this village, including you, our loving king, Igwe Okocha.
She does not belong to this king.
No! 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 Wise one, please. Please, please. You must be mistaken, please. She only killed the man because she was defenseless.
Yes.
Please, eyes of the gods, please. Have mercy on Azuka. She's the only one he has.
Shut up!
Take her away. Yes, take this fool away.
Let her get out.
I'm sorry. She's innocent.
Hey!
Let her life be precious in your sight.
Shut!
Igwe says she. Dibia the wise one. What will the gods of the land say of her?
That she should be banished to the forest of dark secret.
Dibia, you and your evil supporters will definitely pay for all the atrocities you've committed in this land. I swear by my mother's grave.
How dare you speak to me in such a despicable manner?
Because you are despicable and callous, and I am not scared of you. You will pay for all the lives you've destroyed.
Not in my presence. You don't prattle before me. You don't talk rubbish. Lest I will ask my guards to behead you. Cut off your head. And you will
kill me. You will kill me. I am not scared. What am I living for? Kill me.
Take her away! Hey, where are they? Take them away! Take them away!
Stop! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
I feel so sorry for Elu. She was so brave and strong to be able to kill a strong young man.
Okay, Chi. But the gods have spoken. And you know the gods cannot lie. Can you imagine? Do you know she planned to even kill the Igwe?
Kill the Igwe.
Papa, you're welcome.
Welcome, Papa.
Oh, Nena.
Papa.
How are you?
I'm very fine, Papa. Thank you.
You're welcome. Nkechi, I need to drink fresh cold water now. So you need to go to the stream and fetch it.
Papa, there's water in the house.
I mean fresh from the stream. Yes, you go and fetch it.
Ne, please come with me.
Leave her alone. I intend to send her on a message to her father. Yes.
Ne, wait for me, come. Okay, I will.
Hey, Nena.
Yes, Papa.
So how are you?
I'm very fine, Papa.
Yes.
Welcome.
How is your father?
He's very fine.
Ne, let me quickly get water for Papa.
Okay, come, I'll wait for you.
And your mother? They're all fine, eh? Nena.
Yes, Papa.
You look as bright as the sun. You know, you can feel like the moonlight itself, honestly.
I don't understand you.
You must not understand me, you know. What I'm saying is, by the time I'm through with you today, I will teach you something that you will never forget. You will tell it to your children.
Chokonko, please stop. Stop, you know I'm a virgin, not a virgin.
Okay, no wonder you are this timid and shy. But you see these mangoes on your chest, if they are not touched, massaged and soaked, they will even go sour.
That's not true.
No, but it's true.
It's not true.
No.
They are meant for my children to come.
Okay, I know, but by the time I'm through with you today, you even want to be coming back every day to see my daughter. Wait.
Please stop. Stop it.
Chibuko, what is the problem? Please, talk to me. Biko. Dimama, the king of our land, our son is grieved and dismayed. He does not talk to anyone.
Chibuko, what troubles you?
Father, I have always known you as a just man and a man who stands by the truth at all times.
That's right. That's me. And I rule my people with justice, peace and harmony.
But that's not what I observed lately, especially with the recent incident.
Chibuko, how dare you accuse your father of such?
And I ask you, what are you talking about?
Father, I'm talking about the banishment of Elo, the daughter of Azuka, and the late Odosiaku.
So what's your obsession with that girl?
She's innocent, Father. She killed him to protect herself. He would have killed her if she did not fight back.
Chibuko, listen to me. I forbid you from talking about that girl. Because that girl is a low life. She's a killer, a witch, and even forbidden to this land.
Father, you can go ahead and call her all sorts of names. I don't care. And that doesn't change who she is. For me, she would always remain innocent and flawless in my heart.
Chibuko, you're crossing your boundaries.
And let me warn you, do not dare me. Do not. Because I am prepared to restrict you from all the privileges you've been enjoying in this palace. Get that?
You can go ahead, Father. You can go ahead and do as you please. I don't even know why I wasn't born into a poor family so I can live my life without having to please anyone.
Chibuko!
Hey, come back here. Chibuko! Come back here, you! You've seen it? You've seen it! I will never tolerate this. That will be over my dead.
Please, Your Majesty, never you swear with your life. You don't know what will become of tomorrow. Please.
Hear me out. Hear me out. I will never, ever tolerate that. Alright? And let me be on this issue. Leave me alone on this matter. Get it?
Leave me alone on this matter. Hey, go and get me something. Go and get me my drinks. Can you imagine? Oh, Chibugo, you've grown. You've grown to challenge me and walk out on me. We shall see. Oh, all right.
What is the problem? Talk to me, I'm your friend. What is the problem?
My father and mother are just so wicked.
Chibugo, how would you say such a thing about your parents?
My father does not want me to have anything to do with Elo.
Yes, but...
But what? Will you join them to condemn her?
No, why should I? Chibugo, this is a very difficult situation. She has been sent to the forest of the dark secret. I doubt if she will come back alive.
I don't want her to die.
Chibugo, do you truly love this girl?
Yes, no. I mean, I'm a prince. I cannot.
Talk to me. Don't lie to yourself. Talk to me.
Please, I need some water. Please. Please. I beg you in the name of the gods of our land. Do not allow me to die. Please. Help me with some water. Oh. Please. Hey. Please. Take me as your sister, please. Please. I know you're not wicked. Please, I need some water. Please help me.
How is the girl?
She's very weak. I'm hungry. Give her a little food.
Why? I thought we are supposed to starve her to death.
Yes, but not sudden. If the girl dies early, they will think she was killed. Let us leave her for a while. If she does not die, then we kill her immediately.
No, I want her dead as soon as possible.
Okonkwo,
Fine. Wait down. Only time. Okay.
Chibugo, you must forget about Elu. She's gone and gone forever.
Ebo, do you think she's not innocent?
I do not know. But one thing I know is that the gods have never lied to us. She may have killed him in self-defense. The gods have spoken, and they have spoken.
Okay. Let's go into the bush and look for some bushmeat. This is the perfect time for it.
Okay. Okay.
Go home.
My prince, your father asked me to protect you. That would be disobeying your father, my prince.
You are already disobeying me. His son does not want you to protect him anymore, so obey me by going home.
But my prince...
Go home!
Important information that I would like to share with you.
Why are you carrying? Hey, what happened?
Obiora went to the family ceremony. I decided to go and meet him this afternoon. On reaching there, I saw him lying on a pool of blood with a cutlass on his body. And somebody killed him and collected all our cassava and him. Obiora was my only child. Igwe will kill myself. Igwe will kill myself. Obiora was my only child. I would die. I would die.
Obiora, what is it?
Igwe will kill myself.
What has Obiora done to any? Igwe, we are sitting on a keg of gunpowder.
We would not have to sit here all day deliberating. Something drastic has to happen.
Igwe, are you silent? Igwe, you have to do something. Look at what it is.
Obiora! My only child, Obiora! Obiora!
Azuka. Please, it's okay. It's okay. Azuka, what are you doing to yourself?
Do you want to kill yourself?
Yes. I want to take to death. I want to die. I want to die.
No, you shall continue with your life.
I don't want to live. What am I living for? What am I living for?
Azuka, you're living for the memories of your late wife, Odoziako. My best friend.
You are warriors. Tried kidnapping them. Kidnapping my son with his friend.
It's a lie.
While they were hunting.
It's a lie.
And they told them that they came from Umuagu. Agumba. They are your people.
That is a lie. A lie. A lie. That is a lie. Your time is running out. Your time is running out, Agumba.
Return my son back unscratched, or prepare to face your destruction.
Who will destroy me?
I.
Who?
I.
Nobody can wait.
I.
King and the lion of Umuji Kingdom.
I will destroy you.
Be gone. What? Be gone.
Be prepared. Just be prepared. Let's go. Let's go. Prepared.
Go.
Okay.
I'm waiting.
What are you doing here?
I was just passing by your house, so I decided to check on you, but didn't see you. Something told me to check you here. What are you doing here all alone? What troubles you?
My best and only friend, Chizuku. He has gone missing.
It's so pathetic and painful. I just hope that he will return to us healthy and sound.
I hope so. I hope so, Nkechi. Nkechi, do you think they will kill him?
No. No. Let's look at the brighter side of life and hope for the better. Okay? Now come here. Come now, come now.
So this is my home now. Forest of dark secret. Where lives are forgotten. Virtues buried. This place has swallowed many souls. Both the guilty and the innocent. Dreams are shattered here. But I shall not die. Out of the darkest shoe, I, Elu, shall rise. From a dark night into a daylight, wondrous and clear. This place shall not swallow my beauty. I shall rise like the morning sun. I shall glow. I shall not be defeated. No one will defeat me.
My child. The brave one.
Mother.
Go deep into this forest of a dark secret. They are coming for you. Go now. Go!
Oriaku, my sister. You should understand that life is not fair. You have to be strong. Please. It's going to be well. Iwe.
Yes.
Iwe. Please, she has refused to eat nor talk to anyone. Her condition is getting worse. Please talk to her.
I know. I don't know what else to do. I should rather say that you should help me talk to your sister. Talk to her, let her at least try to eat something. Eh? I'm confused. I'm in a state of dilemma. Please, at least she should find something to eat so that she can be strong. Huh? You are the right person to talk to her.
Look at me. I'll tell you the truth. You have to be strong like the woman you are. You are the Lolo. You are the sunshine of this Umuji. Take heart. Please. You know, go one day. Oh, God, I know it is going to be good. It will be well. Please, be strong. Be strong for me and everybody around you. Inugo?
Mother, you scared me. I was afraid.
Do not be afraid, my daughter. I've come to tell you the truth.
The truth?
I was raped and killed by Okonkwo, your father's farm.
What are we going to do about this? He doesn't deserve to live. We have to do something.
No. Go home.
I can't go back. Everyone believes I'm dead. If I go back, they will kill me.
Go home, my daughter. Go and tell your father all I have told you. Go and restore your father's strength. Give him hope to live again. I shall come there tomorrow to guide and protect you. Go now, my daughter. Go. Go.
Hold on.
Ebo, my son.
Nee.
Thank you so much for helping my daughter. Thank you, oh. Mama, he helped me fetch everything. As you can see. Thank you.
Nee, thank you.
You're welcome, my son.
Nee, I have to be on my way now.
Yeah. Please send me what you say.
I will.
All right, my dear. I'm going to call the okay. I'll see you later at the school.
Nkechi.
What's wrong with this one? Why are you calling me like that? It is very obvious that Ebo likes you. Mama. There's nothing bad if he likes you. Oh? Mommy, I don't know what you're talking about.
Are you sure?
Shut up. He's just my friend. Besides, he's a very good boy. Come, let's go inside. That should not be a problem.
Father!
Who are you?
Look at you. Father, I missed you. I missed you so much.
My daughter, so you're alive. I missed you. I miss you so much. I'm happy to see you. Seeing you has given me.
So happy to see you. Listen, I am alive. I saw my mother.
Mother?
Yes. How? She appears to me every morning and night. She told me the truth about everything that happened to her. Mother told me that Okonkwo raped and killed her in our farm.
Okonkwo?
Yes. He was the one that killed my mother. He has been pretending all this while.
Okonkwo killed my wife.
Yes.
He must pay for this.
Reduce your voice. Father, listen. You have to be very careful. Okonkwo is deadly. Please, don't even ask him anything. I don't want to lose you. He will kill you. Listen. I will make sure I put a stop to all this. But I have to do that cautiously. Do you understand? What I want you to do now is to be okay. Stop drinking, please. I don't want to lose you. Now, this is bushmeat. For me? Yes, eat. Go to Igwe tomorrow and tell him that I'm alive. Yes, tell him that I'm still in existence and there's no one on earth that can kill me.
Will they believe me?
It doesn't matter what they believe. Just make sure you tell them, but be careful. Don't ask him anything. Don't ask Okonkwo anything. Don't.
Okay,
I've been searching for you.
And where were you looking for me?
I was going to fetch firewood, so I was wondering if you could go with me.
Okay, let's go.
There's something on your head.
What? Please help me remove it. Thank you.
Abel, do you like any girl in this village?
No? And why do you ask?
Because I like you so much.
Okay, let's go. Let me help you with this.
It has been more than 14 days after my son got missing. I hope he will still return alive.
Alive? I have not heard from him for long. He may be dead. And you know, the Dibia told us that he's in the hands of Roma war people.
No.
And the gods don't lie.
No. Something in me tells me that my son is still alive and shall return to this our community. Talking about the Dibia, I no longer have faith in that Dibia of ours. This is because he's no longer communicating effectively with the gods of our land. I've lost faith.
Igwe, may you live long.
Azoka, you again?
Hey, live longer.
What is it this time around? What is it?
Your Highness, Odozak, my wife, was killed by a highly respected personality in this kingdom. He raped her and killed her.
Azuka! Azuka! Do you know what you are saying? Do you realize the gravity of the offense you are committing?
She appeared to me and told me everything, but she never disclosed her killer.
Igwe, I don't believe this man. We all know his reputation. He's a drunkard. Let's disregard whatever he's saying.
I don't care what you say or think about me, but I'm sure my daughter is still alive.
What are you talking about? No one goes to the forest of the dark secrets and stay alive up to 14 days.
But she has been there for more than 21 days now. And she's still alive because she's innocent. The one thing is sure, there's nothing hidden under the sun. One day, the truth must come out. And that man behind the veil will be revealed.
Igwe. Azoka. Allow him go, Igwe.
Azoka.
Allow him go.
Azoka.
I am Mandebunde.
Hey!
I'm Mandebunde.
I shall never be well with the person.
Yeah.
Well, elders, we will have to disregard all he has told us here and forge ahead. Let us focus on finding my son.
Your son. Yes. Yes. Very important. Our secret are coming to light soon. Need to kill them. What? Yes. Kill Azoka. Kill Elo. Kill Chibogo. That is the only way I can challenge my brother and take the throne from him forcefully. And we can take charge of the kingdom. I mean, you and I. Now. This way. Where? This way.
Hey, snake!
What is it? Why are you running?
I could not do anything. I didn't see her.
Where is your partner?
He's dead. He was bitten by a big snake. I had to run away.
You have to find the prince and kill him immediately.
But
there is no but. Search for him, kill him, or you have to pay with your lives. Go! Search for him everywhere. Your life is at stake.
Thank you very much. Now this is the moment. The assignment is to enter into the bush and search extensively my son and make sure you bring him back today. Go and bring him back.
May the gods of our land go with you. As you all know, Chibugo is my only son, and I cannot live without him. May the gods of our land go with you all.
Do not be afraid.
Go and bring your son.
Yes, you go.
This is all a tragic experience.
Nne, you won't believe what I had with my 2 ears today.
Hey. What did you hear?
I heard that Igwe Okosha have sent our warriors to search for his son within the forest of that secret, where Elo, the daughter of the promiscuous Odoziaku, was sent to. Nne, you know no one comes out there alive.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you the truth. Hey!
Alo.
Aro.
Help. Poor them. I pray the gods will be with them.
I hope so, my dear. I hope so. Hey! Oh, my dear. This is very, very... happening. I'm telling you.
Our king has sent men to the forest of dark secret and even beyond in search of Chibugo. You all know that Chibugo is hidden in a place not far from here. So, I want you to go and take him away from there. Go and hide him down the river where nobody knows. I say no. Kill him and bury him. Or we bury him alive. Okonkwo, do you know the consequences of what you have just said? Eh? It's just not anybody but Chibugo, the son of our king. There are no consequences. No consequences. I'm invisible. The gods are sleeping. How dare you speak of Jumpa in such a disgusting manner? Mind the way you talk before he struck you down. No. Nobody will strike me down. Why was I not struck down when I killed Odozi? I'm invisible. Nobody can defeat me. What are you waiting for? Get there immediately and make sure nobody gets to that place before you. Go! I curse the day I agree to be your accomplice. Do not curse. We are in this together. It is too late to back out. It's too late. You have no choice. You have no choice. No choice.
I thought we left the place around here.
But it's no more here. Did you disappear?
We need to find the prince. And immediately.
But we cannot go into the forest of dark secret. We're not fortified yet.
Even 45 men do not come home alive.
So what do we do? We'll go home and report the bad news.
Prince, you just have to be strong for me. Oh, you have to be strong. Just be strong. Nothing will happen to you. Let me get sleep there.
Your Majesty.
My queen, my goddess, why are you looking so dismayed?
Your Majesty, we have to look for a way and bring my son back before it is too late.
Okay, I have heard you. Just that we have to hope for the best.
How can we hope where there is no hope? What have we done? What have we done to the gods? I will kill myself tomorrow if my son is not brought back before dawn. I will kill myself.
Shut. Not before me. How dare you speak such blasphemy? Don't bring evil upon you. What's this? Now go back to your home. Like I did say, we have to hope for the best. Go, 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 go. Go this moment. Look at that.
They could not find him. He was not found the place he was supposedly kept. Everything is getting out of hands. Azuka says Elo is alive. The Chibugo is missing. So what are we going to do?
Okonko, I do not know. Let us wait and see what tomorrow holds.
Wait? Bano, we cannot wait. We have to act at once. Dibia! He's serious. Dibia! Dibia!
Hey, Chibugo, I'm happy to see you alive. So you're still sick, but I'm happy you're alive. Chukwu Abiyama, Deme Dalu, Deme Dalu. Hey.
Chukwu Abiyama, I thank you for keeping my son alive up till now. Please don't let anything harm or happen to him.
Hey, Chibugo, my nephew. So you are alive? Hey, Chukwabiyama, thank you for keeping him alive. But who must have brought him here?
My brother, the gods have a way of doing their things. I told my sister to calm down, because I know that the gods will not abandon us.
Yes.
Yes. Can't you see he's back?
Oh.
Alive.
Oh, Chukwabiyama, thank you. Thank you.
Dibia, what are the gods saying about his case? You should come down fast now. Come down, the gods.
Igwe, the gods are silent.
Why?
They will speak when the time comes. But I must not fail to tell you this. His time is limited.
Hey, Mbano.
I'll have to go and fetch him some hearts.
Let me go with my 2 mates.
I'll do
Oh,
that.
please do.
Snappy now, move.
Your Majesty.
Yes?
Your Majesty.
Yes.
I have come to crave your indulgence and request for a thing.
Request for a thing? What could that be?
Your Majesty, please. We need to seek for help elsewhere.
help elsewhere?
Yes, Your Majesty. The DPA has not given us an answer for a long time now. It's like the gods have been silenced on our supplications and requests.
So where do we seek this help from?
Your Majesty, Bode, the chief priestess of Umagu Kingdom, she is powerful and feared. He can help our son.
No. Those people are our enemies. They are enemies. It won't work.
No, Your Majesty. When it comes to our son, our only child, we will have to seek for help anywhere possible. Please, Your Majesty.
Okay, all right. You see how it goes.
Your Majesty, I have found some herbs that can help Chibugo recover.
Really?
I'm telling you.
Let us go and do something we have to do fast.
Okonkwo, yes. Chibugo is back. Who brought him back to the palace?
I'm surprised and astonished as you are.
Okonkwo, we are in danger.
What danger?
Hey. I can see you are blindfolded. Chibugo is back. There is no more throne for you. No more throne. Eh? We are eventually exposed and disgraced.
Bano. I cannot be exposed and disgraced. I am invisible, remember?
You were, but no more invisible.
So what do we do?
Mother, I am tired. I am tired of living in this place. This is not what I want. I want to be free again. I want to be free like the bird. I want to live my normal life. I can't stay here for the rest of my life. I can't. It's becoming frustrating, Mother. I can't continue like this. I can't.
My daughter, life is not fair. Sometimes the innocent ones pay the price the wicked ones and callous ones are supposed to pay. All hope is not lost. Be strong. There's a great battle ahead. Fight. My daughter, fight with all your strength. Fight and be strong.
Do you think Chibugo will be well again?
I just hope something good will happen.
I went to the palace, but the guards never let me see him.
My father said he's very ill and he doesn't think he will survive. But together, we can pray to the gods to spare his life.
I believe you. I believe you, Nkichi. Your words are soothing to the soul.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Where are the other elders?
Igwe, down the way coming.
But Igwe, whatever it is, we can get started while waiting for them.
Oh yes,
Okay, exactly, because this is so an emergency. I actually invited you people over here to tell you that I shall be inviting another priest who will now be telling us what is happening to my son. I mean, his disappearance. And his appearance with sudden illness. That's the essence of inviting you over.
But we have our own priests. We have our own priests.
Igwe, this could be like a disgrace to the Dibia.
And anyway, where do you hope to get this new chief priest from?
I am inviting Body, the chief priestess of Umuapu.
Yes, Mbano.
She is going to take over from where our own native doctor, who has turned deaf and blind, stopped.
Impossible. Oil and water cannot mix. These are our enemies. I will not allow it. I will not allow it.
I say you are not going to say you are the one to allow it or not. I am in charge. I am going to say that I am the one who will allow that. You shut up. Shut up, Okonkwo.
Igwe. But those people are our enemies. They are our enemies.
You cannot take such a useless decision. Eh? Oil and water cannot mix. Eh?
You don't know what you are talking about.
It's a business.
It's my son that is being talked about here now. And that is what matters to me. Nothing else. Nothing else. Can't you people reason?
But Igwe, can't we have a receipt on this?
Shut up. Shut up, and I don't want to hear any other film on this matter. I have made my statement. Just hear about the new development. You may go home.
So Elo is alive?
Yes. She has visited me twice.
May the gods be praised. They have all failed. They have failed.
She told me everything. She told me that Okonkwo is an evil man. In fact, she told me how Okonkwo killed my wife, Dozaka, and that he was responsible for what she has been passing through. Hey, Okonkwo, I swear by this sand, if Okonkwo, in fact, we pay dearly for the pains he has caused my family.
Oh, na nyo tobokumu, oda umakia. Uda mezi sama. Irio. Idai ho. Ata meho. Bokiya ye. Bokita ye. Igwe, the lion of Umuji. What brings you to my territory?
Great one, the eyes of the gods. I need your help. It's all about my son. My son was kidnapped, but since he returned from being kidnapped, there's this sudden illness that we couldn't find solution to. And the worst is that the gods of Umuji, they are not talking. The gods are not talking. So I said I should come to you because I know you have all that it takes to find out what is actually wrong. Why are the gods not talking with the gods of my land? Why? Please, see a way to assist me. He is the only son that I have that will succeed me. Thank you.
Atamehon. Eya atamehon. Okay, yes, eh? Irion. Oda umakia. Igwe, the gods are willing to help.
Let them help me. Thank you so much. Yes, you had this.
Please, go home.
Huh? Please.
Oh no, Nyama. Wow, home. Dokita ze. Kuyeni mau. Miseries.
Huh?
Miseries. But there are some miseries that will be unfolded, Igwe. Unveiled to you later.
Go ahead and unravel it, please. I need my son to be okay, please now.
Igwe, these miseries will be explained to you later. They will be explained to you later.
Why later? What does it take? Please now, I am ready. Please now, oh?
Huh?
You can go.
Eh?
Go home! Like I said, with time, the gods will veil these secrets. Go home! Mystery. Mystery. Igwe, your son must be helped. Before it is too late.
Yes. But what do we do? How do we help him?
Igwe, there's no other way but one way.
Which is what?
There lies a certain mystery liquid after the forest of dark secret, across the stream of death.
That place is strange and dangerous. It's a dangerous area.
So how do we get it?
None has ever been to the seven falls of evil and returned alive. For over 20 years after Dinkba returned alive. But for you to save your son, you must pay a price. Yes. Send your warriors immediately. Time is running out fast. Iwe, I have spoken.
Well, the wisest and the strongest. I am going to just do that.
But I want to assure you that we will do everything to make an impossible possible.
Mystery. Mystery.
She's always speaking in parable.
That's confusing
Mystery.
Mysteries. I don't know what she's talking about.
Emil!
Stay away from my way.
How dare you try to take my place? I am the priest, the eyes of the gods of Umuji. Go back to your land.
What are you afraid of?
Leave my land and go back to your land.
I am only doing what you cannot do. You have failed in all your endeavors. Yes, the gods are not asleep as you have always said. You have gone astray and have led the people of this land astray.
You are confused. I am the eye of Umuji land. Chubugo cannot be cured.
Lies. The miseries behind his illness will soon be filled and he will be cured. For he is only the heir to the throne. Yes, I, Body, the Black Tiger, and the daughter of the night will bring forth life to the land of Umuji.
How dare you betray your people by helping your enemies? Have you forgotten that the people of this land are your enemies?
I have no enemies. The life of an innocent boy must not go wasted. Yes, stay away from my way.
I warn you. I warn you. Do not cross my path. Never you come to this land again. Go back to your land.
Don't dare me.
Stay away from my way.
Igwe. Yeah, Igwe. What have you come to do?
Yes.
What is it? Why are you here?
Yes, Igwe. I have come to bring Chibugo back to life. The gods have spoken.
Finally.
Yes.
Then you follow me. Okay. Follow me. Follow me. Let me show you where it is. Come. Eh?
It's okay. Let's go.
Hey! Stop this moment. Stop these your vain incantations. Can't you see that there is no power in you again? Eh? Which gods are you representing here? Let me tell you. My warriors will go after that liquid. They are going to fetch it. Nonsense. Eh? Nonsense. Get out of my way. Get out. Get out.
It's no peace for the wicked. One day you reap what you sow.
Vain incantations that I am tired of. Hey, prepare. You are going to fetch the liquid right away. This moment, go and fetch it. Nobody is going anywhere.
Nobody is going anywhere. I refuse to accept this nonsense.
Why would you speak to me in such a manner?
Koko, are you out of your mind?
You cannot send our young men to the land of death.
I ask you again. Who are you to tell me what to do?
I am of royal blood. I am your brother, remember?
So what?
And nobody, I said nobody is going to that land of the death. Don't you know you're a useless king?
What?
Yes. Akamuoyi. That's what you are. Overnight fufu. Gwakara. That's what you are. What have you done to this land if not to bring calamity and confusion?
Okonkwo, you better watch your tongues. Watch your tongues!
Let me tell you, I'm overlooking your frivolities because we are brothers. A swollen scrotum is heavy, not because of its size, but because of its position.
Oh! Ile toinonu. Watch me. Now, warriors, go and fetch me that liquid. And I tell you, nobody born by any woman can stop my instructions. How dare you? How dare you, Okonkwo?
Nobody will go to that land of death.
We shall
let
see.
Me
now go. What are you waiting for?
You know where?
Go. Look at him.
It's all land.
Look at him. Go. Look at this loafer. Go and get me that liquid. Let me see what he will do. And all of you should prepare for war. I'm surprised that you didn't eat him raw here. Cheers. Hey!
Hello, abụrụ anaba azụka gada dị ndụ bilu irulo rulo anaba azọka gara dị ndụ bili Chibugo gị ga na n'ịnwụrụ anwụ gị gaba nata isele no n'ọbụla ijela bụrụ okpoba dịka Hello, dịka ị nọ n'esi na ị ga-abụlụkwa odiga ị ga-eburo na-egbu na ị ga-anata ị ga-akwa jinụ ikwala ji n'ume ude na abụrụ okwele abụghị Chibuogu na ị ga-aga anata mbọsị eke welo na ị ga-aga anata mbọsị afọ Azụka na ị ga-aga anata mbọsị nkwọ Arọ dịbọ mgbe ọ ga-eje n'ọsị na ijela abụla ekwemọ
Have you seen what I've been talking about? Anybody caressing the buttocks of a fat woman is embarking on a long journey. Two amiable, strong warriors of ours were found this morning dead. Dead! They were sent into the deadly path of across the stream of death to go and find the so-called hidden liquid. But now, what do we have? They are dead bodies. They are dead bodies. People of Umoji, they are dead bodies.
Now, what are we going to do?
My son must be killed. Let the remaining warriors go and fetch that liquid. They must go.
Impossible! It will never happen. Yes, it will never happen.
What a temerity. Okoronko, what gods? So you have grown to be challenging me, going against my words. Okoronko,
you are so heartless. So heartless and cruel, yes.
What?
Okocha!
Hey.
You are so heartless and
Hey! Hey!
Ishiokonkwo!
How dare you talk to our Igwe in that manner? The lion of Obuji Kingdom. How dare you talk to him like that?
now you listen to me, Okoronko. Today must mark the very last time you oppose me, here and elsewhere. Get it stuck into that tree, cutting whole head. Yes. Did you get that? Any other day you decide to cross the boundaries, I will eliminate you. No sentiment about that. I will eliminate you.
Hey, with your empty threat, isn't it? I curse the day you took over this throne from my father. I curse that day. Yes, I curse that day. I curse the day you took over the throne from our father. That is Igwe. Heartless fool! Heartless fool!
Calm down, everybody. Calm down. It's good.
You are looking worried and dismayed.
Have any one of you seen my husband, your father?
Well, listen to me. Never again will I tolerate your pathetic and miserable words. Is that clear?
No. Me? Miserable? Pathetic?
So you don't even know that you're a curse?
Papa. Please don't talk to Mama like that.
Shut up your mouth! You all constitute a curse!
Okonkwo, I have never insulted you for once. You are the one that is cursed, and not my children.
Me?
Yes.
Me?
Leave me alone. Papa! Papa, leave me alone.
Don't you ever lay your hands on her again.
You are the one that is cursed.
It's all right. Okay.
I know that this is going to be a very difficult journey for all of you. But I also want to say that the gods of our land will go with you people. Go therefore in peace. And I want to assure you that you will be highly rewarded if the mission is accomplished. Is that okay?
Igwe. Your Highness.
Yes.
The Lion of Umoji Kingdom. May you live long. We are ready to go to this journey. And we all go together. And if the God permits us to return, so be it.
Thank you very much. Now go in peace. And come back in peace. What is happening in my kingdom? Gods, where are you? Case of kidnapping? Ah.
Legacy. Hey, Igwe.
I hear you, boy. Igwe, there's no time left for your son to be alive.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey. Will he survive?
Eye of the gods, please tell me that my son will still be alive until his medicine is brought for him. Please.
Igwe, there's no option left. Huh? Yes.
Kindly plead with the gods to spare his life for me. Let him be alive. He has to be cured now. Please.
Hey, Igwe, let's wait. Let's wait and see what becomes of him tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, Igwe. Igwe.
Great one. You don't have to leave me now in this dilemma. Do something now. I believe you can handle this. This is the only
Hey, Your Highness, our son is dying. And there's no hope. No hope. Hey, Mbano. Please, Your Highness, you can do something.
I don't know what else to
do.
do.
You can do something and save Chibu.
I don't know what else to do. If you have something that I will do, let me know.
Body! Look, you must not! And you should not save the Igwe.
You are a disgrace to your land.
You are a disgrace to your land for betraying them.
I betray no one. Yes, I work for the gods. I do whatever the gods require of me only. Ezedibia, I am Body, the daughter of the greatest and the most fearful son that ever lived in the Umuago kingdom.
I warned you. I warned you that the gods are angry with Igwe and his family. That was why they were cursed.
How come you not hear from different gods? Different from the one we all hear from. Chibugo is innocent, and some forces are responsible for the mysterious illness upon him. Time is running out fast, and very soon the dark clouds will be open, and those under it will be exposed to lights. Yes, time is running out fast.
No one is responsible for Igwe Okocha's son's illness.
Someone is responsible, Ezedibia. Yes. God! I'm not asleep. Ezedibia, be warned. And now.
Body, look, you shall die.
Hello, what are you doing here by this time of the day? You have to be careful so that nobody sees you.
Don't worry. I am being protected by the spirit of my mother. No man or woman can harm me.
What are you talking about?
Listen, go to the palace. Tell the king that I can go to the seventh fall of evil to get the liquid that can cure the son's illness. Yes.
But I heard that nobody has ever gone there and come back alive.
It doesn't matter what you've heard. You have to believe me. It's me or no one. Tell him.
Uriaku, my sister, you cannot continue hurting yourself with such anguish and sadness. Where is that once brilliant and gleaming hope on your face?
Lord, the sun shall never cast its ray on me. What do I hope for? What am I hoping for? Yeah?
Uriaku, my sister, you're hoping for life. You hope for health. For good health. For the air that you breathe in that makes you rise up once again. Let the rays of the sun shine once more on your face. Your son Chibugo will not die.
Do you believe?
Yes.
That my son will be cured and healthy again?
Yes. The gods are not asleep. Your son is going to be okay. The warriors will come home with good news. Relax.
Okay.
You got a big one.
Yes, I did. I got a very big one.
But there's something I want to tell you.
I hope there's no problem. Yes.
I think about you all the time. I can't sleep at night.
Nkechi, you're my friend.
I know. Ibu, I'm lonely in this world. There is no peace at home. My father do not like me, my brother, and even my mother. He hates us so much. Ibu, I want to be with you. You make me forget my problems.
Okay. Let's get to my house.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah. Elders. I have not seen this kind before, but all the same, I hope you're all listening.
Yes.
I asked this question to be sure that we are together.
We are together, Igwe.
All right. Azuka.
Your Highness.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Your Highness, I saw her.
Who? Who did you see? Onyanko, who did you see?
Hello.
Your daughter. Come. Yeah? Is it an expensive joke or what? Wait, she visited you in your dream, isn't it?
He must be joking.
Please, can we hear him out?
Hear him out?
Let's know what he's going to tell us.
She visited me last night. She told me that she's alive, she's not dead. And she told me that she's the only one that can save your son. She also told me that none of the warriors can get the liquid from the seventh fall of evil. That is what she told me.
Your Highness, it's like this one just came in with the spirit of alcohol. I believe so.
Is talking.
Please, let us understand the situation. I think all he has gone through is gradually making him go insane.
You're right.
I'm not insane. I am okay, and I know what I am saying.
Azuka. Azuka, what do you mean by that? Is there anything that you are not telling us here?
Your Highness, she said she's alive. She's not dead. And she's the only one that can save your son from the illness.
Hey, Igwe. Please, we have business to do. Don't believe Onyanko as usual. Leave this pathetic man. Let's go into the business of the day. Hi, Onyanko.
Of course, I don't believe you. Azuka, I don't believe you at all. And let me give you this warning. Henceforth, don't come into this palace to disrupt our meeting proceedings. Okay? With your forged stories. Don't ever try it again.
Your Highness, with all due respect, I did not forge anything. Anyway, I've done my part.
Go meet your fellow drunks. He's seen double. Look.
Hey,
go and finish it up.
Please, let us understand the situation. He really needs the help of the gods.
I think.
You sent for me. What is the problem? You look so distracted and anxious.
Leave us.
Yes, my queen.
What bothers you?
I need help.
What bothers you? Talk to me. I'm your sister.
Azuka was here yesterday. That his daughter Elo.
Elo? The girl that was banished from our land? He goes appear to him.
Elo, she's alive.
It's not possible. In the history of this land, no one has ever returned alive from the forest of dark secrets. It has never happened. I don't really know nothing.
Listen, my sister. Azuka said that his daughter Elo knows where the liquid that is encased in the fall of evil is. That she is the only one that can save Chibugo.
But our warriors have gone in search of it now.
Elo, she said that even the warriors cannot get it. The king does not believe, but...
Do you believe him?
Yes, I believe, but what do I do?
If you believe him, then you have to go and meet with Azuka. Tell him to tell you everything that he knows about this thing we're talking about. And if the daughter can help Chibugo, then we have to be fast. Okay. Ujuja.
Your Majesty, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. I am surprised to see you in my house. What have I done again?
Azuka, I am not here to attack you. I am here to ask you questions. I know you came to the palace, and I also know what you told my husband and his chiefs. I just want you to tell me the truth. Is your daughter alive as you claim?
Yes, Your Majesty. My daughter is alive.
I'm not here for any jokes. You know the gods can unfold and tell us if you are saying the truth or not. But I want you to tell me the truth. Azuka, I will ask you for the last time. Is your daughter Elo alive as you claim?
Your Majesty, she's alive. She has even visited me for good 3 times in a short while. She's alive.
What about what she told you? Is that also true?
Yes. Everything she told me is the truth and nothing but the truth.
Azuka, you know it's my son's life, Chibugo, that is at stake here. Anyway, I will talk to my husband. Maybe he will think about your idea. You know I can do anything possible for my son. Anything! My king!
Yes?
My king!
Okay. Yes?
What is it? Huh? My queen, the light of my heart. You look so tensed up and disturbed. Is anything the matter?
Your Majesty.
Yes.
The sun may set by the day, and it may set soon.
Uriaku, the sun does not set at day, rather, it sets at dusk. What is it?
My son, in my case, it is different. Yes, it's different. Chibugo is still young and new. He has not reached the noon time of his life. And the sun will soon set. We need other options. Azuka may not be wrong after all.
No. Disregard all that Azuka said. Azuka is a drunkard. Don't forget that.
No, Your Majesty, he's not. He's not telling us lies. No, he's not.
How do you know about all this?
I know so, my king. Our son is lying critically ill. We've not heard from the warriors. All we need is to take what Azuka said and find out if the daughter is still alive. It may be what we need for our son. It may be what we need to save our son. Please, my king, do this for me. Do it for your son, I beg you. Please.
Now, what exactly happened? Tell me what happened. Hey, now, relax, eh? You take it easy.
Now, 3 of you went on this trip. It's okay. Oh. He returned alone and in this state. Igwe, rumor has it that...
that what?
That the other 2 warriors are either dead or they disappeared.
Hey, I said it earlier. Now this whole journey has become futile.
No. I refuse to accept defeat.
Young man, where is the liquid?
Where is the liquid? Did you bring it? What's the meaning of this?
He brought nothing but insanity, as you can see.
Oh, that is enough. Because the liquid, did you get it? Liquid. What's the meaning of this?
Nine, what is it? Eh? Nine, what is it? Is this still the bedroom? Eh? Nine.
Awele, stay away from me. It's because of you I keep having these nightmares. Stay away from me, please. Ah!
I'm tired of running away from you.
There's no peace for the wicked. There's no peace for the wicked. There's no peace for the wicked. One day you will reap what you sow. There's no peace for the
you to stay with me. Stay with me this night, please.
I wish I can. But I have to go back. Yes. Father, why is it that good people suffer misfortunes while the bad ones live freely and enjoy life? Why? Why is it like that?
My daughter.
Father.
That is life for you. Life is unfair. You can't understand it. You don't know how happy I am to see you again.
I am happy too. But I have to go. But someday we will stay together again and live together again. And that time, no one will separate us. Just take care of yourself for me. I will always love you, Father. May the gods protect you for me. I have to go. I have to go.
I don't really know.
My best friend Chibugo has been ill for a very long time. I do not want him to die.
Chibugo will not die. Let us just believe and hope so.
But none of the warriors came back alive or even well with the remedy. The priestess body said he has just a short time left. I just hope we don't run out of time.
Ebo, please let us hope for the best.
You're beautiful, Nkechi.
You mean I'm beautiful?
Yes. You're very beautiful.
Thank you.
Come, let's get to my house. I have something special to show you.
And what could that be?
Don't worry, when we get to the house, I'll show you. Let's go.
My daughter, the battle that lies ahead is greater by far. You have to be strong and prepared.
Mother, it's not easy at all. I want to live my normal life again. I want to live my normal life again.
Do
I
not
can't
give up this moment. You don't need to be tired at this time. Take this. Chew it. But remember, this is the most fearful and strongest battle coming.
I'll take my chances. I shall not give up.
Oh. What happened to the old days when love was the order of the day?
Okay, I am fine. Hey, Father, come, let me tell you something that happened today. When I just want to tell you both that I love you so much.
I love you, I'm proud of you. I'm not proud of her.
Proud?
You're talking about proud. She's my lovely daughter.
Yeah, my lovely daughter.
She's my everything.
I love you so much, Mother. I love you too. Okay, I love you so much, Father. Father, carry me.
Where happiness and joy was the watchword of us all. cannot forget my beautiful wife, Odozak. Too beautiful that she cannot be ignored. She came into my life, lifted my life, took away every sadness of my childhood. Maybe she was just too beautiful, so could not be ignored. Because of jealousy, she was taken away from me. And Elo, my beautiful daughter, the one that was sent by the gods to give us peace. Oh.
Azuka. I want to meet with your daughter.
Your Majesty, this idea is not a good one. You may get into problem.
Azuka, that is why I've come with her. Yes.
Yes. It's my son's life that we're talking about. His life is at stake.
Your Majesty, I can't take you to where she is. I don't know exactly where she is. Ever since she spoke to me last, she didn't tell me exactly where to find her. So I don't know.
Azuka.
Does it mean she's no more in the forest of that secret?
I don't know. You know, she only visits. But if you have any message, you can leave it with me. Whenever she visits again, I'll deliver your message.
Don't worry yourself. I think your daughter is still in the forest of the dark secret.
Oh, no,
you don't need to worry yourself. I will convince my husband and he will bring her back to this land.
No, Your Majesty, have you forgotten that she was banished from this land? Nobody will
No, don't even go there. It's okay. I am Oriako, the queen of this land.
Wow.
You don't need to worry about anything. Because I am going to convince Igbo culture, my husband. He will bring your daughter back to you.
Your Majesty, it's very kind of you. Oh, I don't even know how to thank you. Thank you very much.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay, no problem. It's okay, no problem. I will always be there for everybody in this land. We shall be on our way. But my sister Iloho will be coming from time to time to get any information from you. That's okay.
Oh, thank you very much. Oh, thank you very much. Hi. Hey, my daughter.
Onny, my friend.
Odoziako, is this truly you?
My friend, how are you?
Odoziako,
Do not cry for me. I am not dead. I am asleep, out of troubles. Trouble of your world.
I miss you. Why did you have to leave so early? Why?
It was my destiny. My fate. My son has to set that day. Onny, my friend, take good care of yourself. Take care of your daughter. Fight for what is right. Fight! And be strong.
Odoziako! Odoziako! What is it? Why are you crying? What is it, mother? Why are you crying again? You will not understand. Talk to me. What is it?
Come here. Come. You will not understand. You will not understand.
It's okay. Please stop crying.
Your Majesty, I don't want anybody to see us here. I don't want to get into trouble.
Keep quiet, Azuka. It's my son's life that we're talking about here. I can do anything within my powers to make him become well again. But, no but. Let's wait here. Let's wait.
Your Majesty, hello, my daughter.
Hello. Hey, gods of our land. You are alive. I'm so sorry for it. I cannot understand.
With all due respect, my queen, don't touch me. I am not doing this because of you. I am doing it because of your son. He is innocent. You? Igwe Okocha, not for that liar that calls himself a Dibia. You are all wicked liars.
Hello. My hands were tied. My hands were tied. I can understand how you feel.
You don't understand anything. Yes. You don't know how it feels to lose a mother. Do you? Do you know how it feels to be banished unjustly? You don't.
Hello. Your mother was killed. Yes. But that's from another village.
That is what you were told. But that's not the truth. My mother was killed by someone from Umuji Kingdom. That same person has been behind the mysteries in Umunji land. Yes, including your son's illness.
Hello, what are you saying?
I am sorry, but very soon, you will understand the truth. I can't tell you more than this. The only thing I know is that one day, all of you shall pay for your sins.
My love, my queen.
Your Majesty, there is something I want to discuss with you.
All right, go ahead, I'm listening.
There is no other option. Chibugo needs help, and he needs it soonest.
I know. And I am sending people to Badi to come and tell us the way forward. Since Dibia has turned deaf and blind, and so insensitive to the gods.
Your Majesty, there is a better option.
Which is?
Azuka's idea.
Azuka's idea, which is what?
Azuka is saying the truth, and I have confirmed it.
What do you mean you have confirmed it? Does it mean you went to see the priestess?
No. She is alive.
Alive?
Yes, Elo is alive.
Elo?
The daughter of Azuka. She is alive and well. And that means she's innocent. Your Majesty, no guilty person has ever been in the forest of the dark secret and remained alive. But she is. She has been there for long and she's still alive.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Your Majesty, I am very sure. I plead with you. I beg you, my king, please send for her and hear her. Listen to what she has to say. She told me that someone close to this family wants to kill her and he is responsible for her mother's death.
No, that cannot be true. Udoziaku paid the price of committing adultery. I know that the gods don't tolerate such.
Your Majesty, my king, you are the hero. I want you to hear this girl out. I want you to listen to what she has to say. We may have judged her wrongly.
The gods confirmed that
We need to hear from the gods again.
No, the gods don't tell lie.
And the gods cannot be silent to Dibia, yet speak to body at the same time.
Elders of Umuju Kingdom, I called you people here to tell you that Azuka said daughter, Elo is alive.
Impossible. That is not true.
But it is. Elo is alive. Not only that she's alive and strong, hale and hearty.
That means she's innocent of the crime she's accused of.
Yes, body will decide that.
You cannot bring that girl back to this land. It is forbidden and she is cursed by the land.
Oh, of course, Igwe. Anyone that is banished from the land cannot come back. Oh. It is an abomination. It's a taboo.
I disagree, both of you. If Elo is alive, then she's innocent. And she is free to return back to her people where she belongs.
Exactly.
Over my dead body.
You will die. And let me warn you, Okoronkwo. Be careful of what you say with this your mouth, lest it gets into trouble. Alright? Just get ready to die. Why do you hate that girl so much?
That girl is a curse. Misery incarnate.
Well, I am going to wait for your decisions when I call next meeting. Good day.
If you are saying she should come back,
wait. She doesn't deserve to.
The innocence is not what we're talking about.
How do we?
Are you sure? Oh, see, here they are.
They are coming.
Okoli and Dibia. You kept us waiting. Anyway, I have informed the others about the plan. He is here with me, and they have accepted to play along with you.
Good. And you'll be handsomely rewarded for helping us. Eh? Yes.
You see, if the two of you should stand on your ground, that girl cannot come back to this village again. If you refuse, tell me. The Igwe will not have any other option than to heed to your opinion.
We will not disappoint you.
Good.
You know, without our own consent, you cannot take any decision. You know too also that we are in majority. So we will not allow him to take any decision. Don't worry. And apart from that, Isho Konko and Divya. Don't forget our reward.
No. Look, listen. I've even sent some boys to go and put together your tubers of yam, cocoa yam, plantain, goats, and all that.
Now you are talking.
Yes.
We are with you.
Oh, good. It's all right. We shall be on our way. Please, the plans. Okay. Okay. Let it be as. So, I see you.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't worry.
It's all right.
Come, let me give you something to do. Come.
Ebu, do you think the king will be pleased to see us here?
Kechi, I do not know. I just have to be with him. Chibugo, my friend. To everyone else, you are a prince and a royalty. But to me, Ebu, your friend, you're like the brother I never had. To a man with a golden heart, you have a beautiful heart, Chibugo. You told me our social status means nothing when it comes to our friendship. Chibugo, I'm here to assure you that you'll be well again. You'll be well. You'll stand tall. This illness will not kill you. You will not die. This illness will fade away. And you become strong again. I miss you, my friend. I miss our hunting together. You bring smile to your parents. You bring back joy to their faces. I miss you, my friend. I miss you, Chibugo.
Sebo, my son.
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Don't worry. You are such a nice man. Good and kind-hearted. You do not have to be sorry. Don't be sorry for him. Just pray along. You will be fine. At least you've proven that you are the only good friend my son ever had. So keep hoping that he will be well, and he will be well again. It's all right.
I believe, Your Highness.
All of you should pray for him, eh? He will recover. So he will recover.
Your Highness.
Yes.
My king, please, I want you to do something fast. Our son is dying. Please.
Obim, Uriakum, I am doing my best. In fact, I have called for the final meeting tomorrow morning.
What if all your chiefs refuse Ilu's coming back to this kingdom? What are you going to do? You're going to follow their choice?
There you go wrong. You are wrong at that.
Then tell me, what are you going to do?
Well, if you must hear that, I will make sure that I bring Elu back to this land. I will. That's the way it is. Elders of Umuji, I ask to know your opinion. I repeat, the opinion of every one of you. Are you accepting or refusing? Starting from you, Okonkwo.
I refuse.
And you?
I refuse, Igwe.
What about you, Ichiogodo?
Igwe, I accept.
Good. And you?
I refuse. You can see that nobody wants to see that disgusting and cursed girl.
Ichiokonkwo, am I only a nobody in this land?
Good question. Go ahead and answer him. Answer him that question. Anyway, there's no point. Because I, the king of Umuji, the lion of Umuji kingdom, I will accept. I accept. And let me tell you people, I will arrange for Elu to come back to this kingdom.
No, Igwe, no. It's an abomination. We have a tradition, and you have to respect that tradition. You have to respect our decision. Okocha, you cannot do that. You cannot.
Ichiokonkwo, how dare you talk to the king with such a level of disrespect? The lion of Umuji kingdom. Have you forgotten?
Okonkwo, don't try to offend me. Just don't.
You cannot bring that girl into this land. I forbid you.
And who are you to forbid me?
I am a royal one. Your brother. And I so demand.
Let me tell you, you do not have such right.
You don't have any right or place to forbid me. You dare not. You cannot bring that girl into this land. You cannot desecrate what our fathers strive to build. Are you daring me? I dare you to bring her into this kingdom. Hey! You dare me and you made this statement. All right, you wait. Wait! Because I am going to show you what I am capable of. Elders, this meeting is over as far as I'm concerned. You wait. Wait. No problem. You are daring me. That is the tradition. There is no time to waste. We have to kill her at once. I got to kick a gun and more money to jelly digger or not going to Arwa Banano Aropu Okonko, everything is set. Let us move out now to ambush her.
Here for war. I am here on a mission and you cannot stop me.
Your flesh shall be devoured, and your blood shall flow through this forest, and you will forever be forgotten.
You cannot harm me.
What is the problem?
I'm no more safe in my house. Some people came to kill me in my house just now.
What?
Yes, Igwe. In fact, there were two. One actually raised his cutlass to slaughter me. I just managed to escape, Igwe. I don't know. I'm not safe.
It's totally unbelievable. Anyway, stop crying. Henceforth, you start staying in my palace. Huh?
I appreciate it.
You appreciate. Thank you.
Rest. It's okay.
Thank you.
Let me also inform you that I have sent my men to go look for your daughter. They are going to bring your daughter back, okay?
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate. Thank you. Thank you, Igwe.
You. Take him to one of the halls. It's all right. It's all right.
What's the meaning of this?
Linga hinga linga wiza kumba hika kumba cha linga hinga zuza hika kumba hika kumba cha chimole bilo akwari jula mobio olege
gotten the cure for Chibugo's illness. I am heading straight to the palace.
Give it to me. Give me the bag.
What? Mother, why? Why are you talking like this? You were the one that sent me to go and get the cure. So why do you want to take it away from me? Mother, why are you doing this?
You have to trust me, I'm your mother. Give me the bag. Give it to me. Give me the bag. My daughter.
Mother.
Take this. Take it. Go. Go home.
This is the end of the road for you.
You cannot kill me. You cannot do anything to me. I am not scared of you anymore.
We will not kill you, but you will be in bondage and there will be nobody to save you. And that bag you have and everything on you will be taken from you.
You lie. You lie. You cannot do anything to me. I am going back to my land where I come from to heal my prince. And both of you cannot stop me.
You are mistaken. Prince Chibugo will die. His father, the king, will also die. And I will be the king of Umuji.
May the gods of our land forbid you become the king of Umuji.
My dear, you don't belong there. But I will make sure you die and be forgotten.
Not kill me. I'm not scared of you. You cannot do anything to me. Both of you. Ah! Let me! Let me go! Let me go! Let me go! Allow me to go! Allow me to go! Allow me to go! Allow me to go! Allow me to...
I told you, this is the end of the road.
You must surely pay. Allow me to go! Set me free! Allow me to go! Allow me to go!
Eba yo lebe, ebele ebe o, eba geda yo lebi yoko, ebele ebe o. There are leaves. There are some leaves, and there are some leaves.
If something is not done in 3 days' time, he will die. Hey, will he survive?
Eye of the gods, please tell me that my son will still be alive until his medicine is brought for him. Please.
Igwe, that I do not know. There's no option left.
Huh?
Yes, there's no other option.
Hey. Please plead with the gods now. Let them spare his life. He has to be cured now. Hey!
Igwe! Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see what becomes of him tomorrow.
Hey, Mbano, you don't have to go now. You don't really have to go. Do something now. I believe in you. I know you can do something. Don't why this tomorrow. But hey!
Your Highness, our son is dying, and there's no hope. No hope. Hey, Bano, please, Your Highness, you can do something.
I don't know what else to
do.
You
can do something and save
I don't know what
Chibu.
else to do. If you have something that I will.
You want to take possession of my father's throne and kill me, right?
No, it's not true. It's not true.
You are despicable and evil, ruthless and wicked. You will die today.
No, it's not true.
Die!
It's not true.
Die!
I just wish my friend Chibugo can come back to himself and become well again.
Don't worry. Your friend will get well soon.
But he said he had just 1 day left. Nkechi, I'm beginning to think I'm the cause of Chibugo's illness.
What are you saying? How can you say such a thing?
If we didn't go hunting together, just maybe he wouldn't have been ill.
Stop troubling and blaming yourself. I've told you, your friend will be strong again. Nina, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Nkechi, is your father at home?
No, he went out earlier this morning. Why are you asking?
No, nothing.
Are you sure?
The girl is missing.
What do you mean she's missing? What do you mean by that?
We can't find her.
Hey! Hey! Your Majesty! My king! What is this young man saying?
Igwe, did he say my daughter is missing? No, my daughter cannot just miss like that, Igwe.
Azuka!
No!
Azuka, come back here!
Look for my daughter!
Azuka!
Azuka, come back here!
Come back!
Ichie Obodo.
Igwe.
Please, you have to run along. You must go and bring a board. Tell her to follow you immediately. We need to speak with her. Go!
Igwe.
Go. Return here.
No! No! You are mistaken. Listen to me, people of Umuch. We cannot continue like this. With this
weakling of a king.
Spare him. Go ahead. Okonkwo, how dare you say such?
I will even say more. Our children have died because of him. Our husbands and wives have gotten missing. Our lands stolen, our crops destroyed, our families ununited. Just because we have a weakling of a king. A king who cannot do his duties.
Okonkwo. Okonkwo.
You opened your mouth and called me a weakling.
Listen, people of Umuji.
You have to open your eyes. I am the son of an Obi.
Yes.
I deserve to get what my brother gets.
Yes.
I also deserve to become king.
Okonkwo!
Yes. Look at this man standing before you. He is a fallen breast. And he has fallen finally. Odashago piata piata. There's no amendment to a fallen breast. And that's what this man is. There's no hope for a fallen breast.
Come.
No hope.
No, come. Come and speak to me directly. Okonkwo, you're running away.
No amendment to a fallen breast. People of Umuji, open your eyes. This man is the living dead.
Come and challenge me one-on-one. Let me tear you apart. Okonkwo, you will surely regret this manner with which you spoke to me. The way you talked to me, you will regret it. You've not started running, no? Because this is the time to finish it. The battle line is drawn.
Oroya, leave me alone, leave me. I won't take that again. Enough is enough. Leave me, let me die with them.
You know you're a strong man. Hold on. What are you doing with a machete? You told me that you've stopped going to the farm, so what's with the machete?
Yes, I say so. And I'm not going to the farm. I'm going to kill anybody that will try to stop me from recovering my daughter from wherever they're hiding her. That is where I'm going now.
Bam. You will kill nobody. Do not do anything, something that you will regret. Please.
There's nothing to regret. Hello. Nothing to regret. I will not allow anybody to take my daughter away from me again. Never, over my dead body. Never.
Azuka!
No,
Azuka!
My daughter, you have to leave before it's too late. The priestess are waiting you. Okay?
They've taken it away from me.
My daughter, don't have to be worried. Take it. Go now.
Mother, thank you, Mother. Thank you, Mother.
I mean, what is going on here?
Can somebody open his mouth and tell me what's going on here? Yes! If you think people are behind you, watch your back to know when they are running away. Your reign has ended, and I have become the king of Umuji Kingdom. What? That's a lie.
Let me tell you, Okonkwo, you have no place in this kingdom.
Yes! Yes.
I still remain the king of Umuji Kingdom.
Yes.
And if anybody would succeed me, this, my son, who is an heir up to this throne. You get that?
You can only cure what is sick and not what is dead. Your son is as good as dead.
Yes. Okonkwo. You will not try me.
Okonkwo.
You will not try me.
Okonkwo, you will not do such to your brother.
Can you imagine?
Hey! Okonkwo! Yes! If you make peaceful change impossible, you make violent change inevitable. From today on, you will all respect and obey me, because I am the king of Umuji Kingdom. My coronation starts from now.
You lie! Yes! I have come to save the prince! Yes! Chibugo's day is now. His cure lies within this pack.
God, please go ahead. So you have come to save my son.
That is a lie. Please. A terrible lie. Look, Igwe, I have the substance she claims she has with her. I have it with me, Igwe. Igwe, look, I want to assure you that this girl is fake. She's fake. She's only here to patronize us.
That is not true. Yes. That is not true. You, Okonkwo, both of you are responsible for the misfortunes in this land.
Ashi? Yes. Ashi, you are a liar. You are a liar.
You, Okonkwo, you killed Odosiako. And buried her in cold blood. Aaron, you kidnapped the prince and caused the mysterious illness upon him. What?
I demand that you keep silent and get out of this kingdom and go back to your land, you old witch.
Okonkwo, your day has come.
Yes.
And you cannot escape from the wrath of the gods.
So, Okonkwo, you are behind all this atrocity.
Hey.
Hey! So you are behind all this.
Igwe, this is the cure to Chibugo's illness. Look, you. Yes. Yes. I have it. You brought me to this. You brought this shame upon me, Okonkwo. Okonkwo, you will not kill anybody. Yes. Yes, you will not kill anybody. We are in this together. Yes, we are. People of Umuji, I told you that this man is evil. Die! I told you it's evil. I told you it's evil. Yes, this man is evil. He's evil. Yes.
Shut up. Shut up. You. Sacrilege. This is an abomination.
Yes. Because of this deed, you are hereby banished from this land. Yes! Yes! Take him away! Make sure you destroy his shrine! Take him away! Move! Move! Destroy his shrine!
Yes.
Does not belong to this land again.
Umoji, they have all paid for their wickedness and betrayal. My daughter, go and save the prince.
Someone should take me to where he is.
Come, my daughter, follow me.
Hey! People of Umuji Kingdom, Ewa Eyenana.
Hey! Chibugo! Hey! Hey! My son is here!
Mother.
Hey! My prince! My son is here! Hey!
Prince,
Your Highness!
You're well again. Thanks to the gods of our land.
Hey! Chibugo! Is this you? My son is here!
Huh?
Chibugo! Your Majesty! Chibugo is here!
My prince, that is true. My son, come. Thank the gods. Come, son. Eh? Oh, this is lovely. This is good. Music! Okoli! You can match this dead wood. Come out here. Just here. Come out. Hello! My daughter, please, this way. Come out. Come out. I said, come out. Come out. Hey. Let us show our gratitude to the gods who did not allow my son to die. Son, father, give me a hand. Raise it up. Raise it up. Like the prince you are. Good. The brave young woman. Can I have your hand? Your right hand. Yeah. That's my son. Holding the young brave woman tight. Today, before the gods and my people, I declare both of you husband and wife. Hey!